Hello everyone, welcome back to Ajayastromoneyguru, your go-to channel for the latest updates and advanced analysis on agro commodities. I am Tushar Jain and today on 11 September we have some exciting news to share with you regarding the world of sugar futures. So without further delay, let's dive right into it. Our first story of the day revolves around the world of sugar futures. ICE raw sugar futures have been making headlines lately by clocking back-to-back week of gains. But what's fueling this bullish trend? Well, it all comes down to supply concerns. Traders are keeping a close eye on sugar prices with a particular focus on India, one of the world's top sugar producers. Concerns are growing due to diminishing supply prospects in the country. Limited rainfall in India's main growing regions has raised production concerns, causing sugar prices to surge by more than 3% in just a fortnight, hitting their highest levels in 6 years. Additionally, Thailand's 2023-24 sugar production is projected to fall by a significant 18% due to severe drought, according to the Thai Sugar Millers Corporation. All these factors combined have pushed ICE sugar futures for October delivery to settle slightly lower after reaching a 12-year high earlier in the week. Nevertheless, it still managed to gain 1.9% for the week, showing the overall bullish sentiment in the market. Now let's zoom out and take a look at the global sugar landscape. Drier than normal weather is threatening production not only in India but also in Thailand, raising concerns of a global sugar deficit. This scenario has lent support to both ICE raw sugar and London white sugar futures. Adding to the mix, there is growing speculation about India imposing restrictions on sugar exports. A recent Reuters report suggests that India might ban sugar mills from exporting sugar in the upcoming 2023-24 season due to lack of monsoon rain, which has reduced the country's sugar crop. To put this into perspective, during the current 2022-23 season, India allowed mills to export only 6.1 million metric tons of sugar compared to the 11.1 million metric tons of last season. But it's not just about supply concerns. It's also about global sugar production and consumption. The USDA's biannual report released on May 25th projects that global sugar 2023-24 sugar production will reach a record 187.8 million metric tons, with human sugar consumption increased by 2.3% to a record 180.04 million metric tons. However, here's where it gets interesting. The USDA forecasts a sharp 15.2% decline in global sugar ending stocks for the 2023-24 season, reaching a 13-year low of 33.45 million metric tons. This projection is in contrast to the International Sugar Organization projection made on August 10th, which suggested a smaller decrease in global sugar production and a surplus for the 2022-23 season. This difference between the USDA and ISO projections could have significant implications for the global sugar markets, potentially turning it from surplus into deficit for the 2023-24 season. To add another layer to this story, French sugar and ethanol maker Tereos recently announced an increase in the price it pays to farmers for the 2022 sugar beet harvest. Brazil, the world's top sugar producer, is also in spotlight. Despite a near record output, other regions are struggling with production, leading to expectations of a global deficit. In fact, speculators have been increasing their bullish bets on ICE US raw sugar futures, with funds adding significantly to their net long positions. So what's the takeaway from all of this? While there are some positive factors like favorable weather conditions in Brazil, the overall sentiment remains bullish due to concerns in key sugar producing regions like India and Thailand. As we look ahead, keep an eye on developments in these regions and how they impact the global sugar market. And remember, the support and resistance levels for the October sugar contracts are crucial indicators to watch in the coming days. That's all for today's update on sugar futures. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Ajayastromoneyguru for more in-depth analysis and updates on agro commodities. Thank you for joining us and we'll see you in the next video.